Good afternoon, class. Today we will discuss about the eclipse. What do you understand by eclipse? What do you understand by eclipse? We know that the earth revolves around the sun and the moon revolves around the earth. The earth revolves around the sun, but the moons revolve around the earth. However, the plane in which the earth revolves around the sun is not the same as that of moon around the earth. During their courses of revolution, sometimes the earth, moon, and sun happen to be in the same plane. In such a situation, either the shadow of earth falls on the moon for some time or the shadow of moon falls on the earth for some time. The shadow cast by heavenly bodies on each other is called an eclipse. Again, I repeated, the shadow cast by heavenly bodies on each other is called an eclipse. If the shadow of earth falls on the moon, then lunar eclipse takes place. Conversely, if shadow of moon falls on the earth, then the sun is not visible for some time and solar eclipse takes place. Now we discuss how is a lunar eclipse caused. Lunar eclipse is always caused on full moon night. Is always caused on full moon night. During their course of revolution, the sun, the earth and the moon happen to be in the same straight line and in the same plane such that the earth is in between the sun and the moon. Then shadow of earth falls on the moon. Then the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. Thus, for some time, the light of the sun does not fall. The light of the sun does not fall on the moon, as the moon has no light of its own. As you already know, moon has no light of its own. It is not visible. Hence, lunar eclipse is caused. It is found that after some time the moon reappear in the sky. It is because the moon, while moving along its path of revolution, passed out of the shadow of the earth. Now we discuss how is a solar eclipse caused. Solar eclipse is caused on new moon day, that is the day when moon is not visible on the night side of earth. During their course of revolution, the sun, the moon, and the earth happen to be in the same straight line as in the same plane, such that the moon is in the middle. Such that the moon is in the middle. At this time, the shadow of moon falls on the earth. Thus, for some time, a part of earth that does not receive the light of sun and that the earth that does not receive the light of the sun and it become completely dark. At this moment, the total solar eclipse is said to take place at that particular place. However, if some amount of light happen to reach the earth, then a part of sun appear in the sky and a partially eclipse is said to take place. Partially eclipse is said to takes place. Thank you, class.